Hello my YouTube friends and family, how are you all? Hope all are good and fine.
Today, I'm going to show you some modern DIY swing ideas that will make your backyard the envy of the neighborhood. So grab your tool belt and let's swing into action. Thanks for swinging by and joining me on this DIY adventure. Remember, the sky's the limit when it comes to creativity, so grab your tools, unleash your imagination, and let's swing into action. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow swing enthusiasts. Stay tuned for more exciting DIY projects. Until next